Welcome back to Emilee's Paper Caper. I'm working on my Junky Junk journal. So I decided that this would be the size of the signature. I just folded a coloring page in half. And I think each signature will have a couple of coloring pages and one of these oversized postcards that I get in the mail, the advertising postcards. So I used this box and decided that I want the pages to have a little bit of a border so things can stick up a little bit, and I wanted to make sure that the front and back cover were the same size, so I just measured it out with a little mark and then scored 2 lines so my front cover and my back cover are the same size. But this box had a couple of creases there because of how it was sized. So what I did was I cut out a coloring book cover, and I will just glue this on the inside and the outside to reinforce the spine so that it doesn't keep folding where those are. Need to find some glue. I'm going to use 3-in-1 advanced craft glue for this because I really want it to stick well. Super. This is still thin enough that I'll be able to poke the holes to sew in the signatures, but it will be reinforced enough. It's going to be a pretty thick spine, but I really do like to pack my journals full, so I think I'm going to love this. I think I can get 5 or 6 signatures added here. Let's assemble some signatures. We've got our coloring sheets. I want a variety, so I'll fold the coloring part on the inside and then the outside. And we'll do this 12 times. Well, 10 more times, a total of 12 sheets, but I've already folded 2. I need 2 more. Okay, now let's start working with our postcards. Okay, so each signature will have 3 pages, a coloring page, a postcard, and another coloring page. Now, I still have plenty of things left, coloring pages and books and pamphlets and catalogs, and I can use these things to embellish, create pockets, things of that nature. I will come back and show you this in another video once I have assembled the journal. But let's see. I think that'll fill up nicely, don't you think so? And then I can really pack the pages. There'll be 6 signatures in there. And I plan to do a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. Keep on scrapping and paper crafting.